If I was talking to other scheme customers about switching to electric, I think the first thing I'd tell them is to do your research. You know, at the moment, at the stage that it's in, I think it's very much lifestyle dependent.
So I currently don't lease an EV from the Motability Scheme. So my current car I got 18 months ago, and at the time of ordering it, there was no EVs that could tow a trailer. I've now been looking around, and there are cars on the scheme that will tow the trailers that I use, and I'm hoping that on my next car I want to go fully electric. I use an adaptation called a push and pull brake accelerator, and it's a little lever that sits under the steering wheel that you push and pull to operate the foot brake and the accelerator. I would say with these controls on an EV, it is absolutely no different to any other car I've had. I know lots of disabled people through the work I do, and a vast number of them really were worried about the range and also the weight of the plugs to be able to plug them in. I've had this car 4 weeks and I've learnt so much about electric vehicles, and I think once you soak yourself into that knowledge base and really look at electric cars, you'll find that they can actually do a lot of stuff.
Many of our customers are going through a very similar thought process as to, is an electric vehicle right for me? We want you to make an informed choice. We remain impartial as to whether you choose petrol, diesel or electric. We want you to have the vehicle that is most suitable for your needs. What we do want to do though is to be able to provide you with as much information and as many tools as possible so you can make that informed choice. And so the first thing I'd say is visit our website. We have tools on there around electric vehicle suitability. If at that point you feel like you're ready to make that next step, visit your local dealership and request a test drive of an electric vehicle and go and just experience it. We're doing everything we can to ensure that that transition to electric can be as seamless as possible. Whether that's providing our customers with a home charger, whether it's supporting with how you would find charge points when you're out and about, how you pay for charge points, across a whole range of products and services.
I applied for an electric vehicle. I love technology. Yeah, I just love new things. I love to try them. And that was peppered in with looking after the environment and saving money. What's not to love?